Previous video we discussed how to buy EVMOS using Osmosis DEX. In this video I will show you how to IBC transfer EVMOS using Keplr wallet. First method. You can use the EVMOS dashboard and send EVMOS from the Osmosis network to EVMOS network. Click the withdraw button. It will open EVMOS dashboard. Connect your Keplr wallet. In the EVMOS dashboard, select from Osmosis to EVMOS. Enter the EVMOS address. You can simply get it by clicking Keplr button. Select the EVMOS amount you want to send and confirm the transaction. Now I will explain the second method. Open Keplr wallet and select Osmosis network. Then you can see your EVMOS balance in the token list. To enable IBC transfer, go to Wallet Settings. Then enable Advanced IBC Transfers. Now you can use Keplr wallet to IBC transfer between chains. Now we have to set up Osmosis to the EVMOS IBC channel. This setup needs only the first time. After setup you can use it with one click. Click New IBC Transfer Channel button. Select the destination chain as EVMOS. To find chain ID, visit Minscan page. Link in the video description. Select the Osmosis network. Because we send funds from the Osmosis network. Then open the IBC Relays tab. Select destination chain, EVMOS. It will show you Osmosis to EVMOS chain ID. Before adding, make sure the connection is green. Remember that you must write the channel ID in lowercase. Now open Keplr and follow the previous steps to add chain ID. Now enter the chain ID and double check before confirming. Now Osmosis to EVMOS IBC channel setup is finished. Next step is sending funds using the IBC channel. Select destination chain EVMOS and deposit address. To get the EVMOS deposit address, go back to the wallet and select the EVMOS network. Then copy your EVMOS address. Complete the previous steps till the enter wallet address. Enter EVMOS address and click Next. Enter the amount you want to send. Submit the transaction. Then go back to the EVMOS network in the Keplr wallet. You can see your EVMOS balance. Also you can use the IBC channel to send EVMOS coins to the Osmosis network. Thanks for watching.